Hello everyone, this is Nirmal here for Technique and this is the quick hands-on with the LG Magna. This LG Magna was first announced at the CES 2015 and it's a mid-range phone from LG. So the device sports a 5-inch IPS LCD display and it's powered by 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. There is Android 5.0 Lollipop, 1 GB RAM, 8 GB internal storage and an 8 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. So you can see the design is slightly curved and it has a gold finish rear panel, and it has a really great matte finish rear panel, and you can see it also has the camera and the rear power button and volume keys. The speakers are located at the bottom and the LG branding at the bottom. So it also has a flash, and you can see this slightly curved design, and looks really good in hands. So on the front panel you have the 4 on-screen buttons which are customizable, and you can see the interface very similar to what we have on other LG devices. So you can see the notification center on Android 5.0, and this is the settings. Again, the settings has 4 tabs. So they are network, sound, display and the general settings. So this is the general settings, and you can see a lot of options, and it runs Android 5.0 Lollipop with a custom LG's UI which is found on other LG devices as well. So it has this home screen, the layout which is very similar to what we saw on the LG G Flex 2 as well. So let's open the camera interface. So it has a front camera as well as rear camera. So this is a 8 megapixel rear camera, and the interface again looks a lot similar to the LG G Flex 2. We have options here, so options at the bottom, and a lot of other options included. And on the right panel you have the camera and the recording mode, and the option to go back to the gallery, and also the minimized option. So it has an 8 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and a front 5 megapixel camera. So this is probably a selfie based phone which has a 5 megapixel camera. So the display is HD IPS display, so the viewing angle should be pretty good. The build quality also looks pretty good. 3.5mm jack on the top, and micro USB charging slot at the bottom. Again, the rear power and volume key, and the build quality looks pretty good as well. So similar to other LG phones, it comes with the LG knock code feature as well as smart keyboard, and it has this custom UI on top of Android. So that was LG Magna, the mid-range phone from LG. So the pricing of this device is not announced yet. So we are expecting a pricing around the 15K range when it comes to India. So the availability date again is not mentioned. In a couple of months time it should be available in India. So that was a quick hands-on with LG Magna, the mid-range phone from LG. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to your YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.